Elaine Marie Vital. I'm 22 years old and I'm from the University of the Philippines College of Music. I'm taking up Bachelor's of Music. My ultimate dream is to become a really good soprano, opera soprano, perform in the best opera houses with the best colleagues who are very passionate of what they do, who give their whole heart and just their soul to their craft. That's what I really want. I dream that in this span of 10 years or 20, I'm being very, very idealistic, that people would start flocking the CCP or anywhere else where there are opera productions, and they would look at it like their own telenovelas and Korean novelas and see it in that light.
One thing kasi dito sa Pinas, ang mga teachers dito, mostly sopranos and baritones. Hihira talaga yung tenor teacher. And usually kasi mga tenor teachers, pupunta na ng abroad. Yung talagang alam yung technique, yung talagang hindi half-cooked. And I think Arthur Espiritu is one such person na hindi half-cooked the real thing. That's why I really wanted to go to this masterclass. Kasi I think he's the real thing. Ang natutunan ko ngayon kay Arthur, una, yung support. Yung concept of support na bago for me. Kasi it has been taught to me for such a long time, but ngayon, mas nadagdagan yung information. Tapos pangalawa, yung sabi niya, kill the jaw. Yung masyado akong gino-jaw yung pagkanta ko, I have to let it go and let the throat relax. Kasi nag-tense up na nag-tense up yung aking jaw. Yun. Saka yun, binigyan niya ako ng encouragement na I still can do it despite the lateness of my pag-delve ko ulit sa classical singing.
With his expertise as a tenor, and he is a lead tenor in operas, not only in Europe, also in America and other parts of the world, he has been sought after as an outstanding tenor. It is, of course, it was a privilege for us and an honor for us for him to have acceded to our invitation to give a master class here. Actually, he wanted to do it for the Filipino singers. That's why we have this master class, to bring our opera singers on a higher level and to experience being trained by a world-class tenor.
Every single moment, every single note you guys sang, and it made me very happy just by being here and just by hearing you guys and being able to do this and being able to somehow maybe give you another idea of how singing is and what singing is. And what has been my experience was very enriching. You've educated me actually about about how you guys sing here in the Philippines. And I'm very, 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 very proud to be a Filipino, and I'm very thankful to God that He has blessed me with all of the gifts, the capability, and the ability to listen and teach, and the ability to share